Thank you so much for joining me for this flow today. It's going to be a bit of a strength builder and include lots of small repeated movements. We're going to go ahead and get started lying down. So if we find our way down onto the back in the most comfortable way possible, allowing the head and the shoulders to rest down, we're going to draw the knees into the chest. And we're just going to start by taking little circles with the knees. So maybe just starting with circles in the opposite direction, allowing the knees to fall apart and then drawing them back together. Taking a deep inhale and releasing a full exhale. Maybe drawing little circles with the knees together, taking a little rock from side to side. And if you go in one direction, we're going to take it round the other way as well. So just unraveling everything at the very beginning. And from here, we're just going to see about extending the left leg long. If we point the toes, we're going to take a rock along the length of the back, building up a little bit of momentum so that eventually we come all the way up into a seated place, and we should have the left foot still drawn close. From here, we're going to take the left hand behind, dropping the left knee down towards the floor, and if we press down into the shin, we're just going to squeeze the glutes, pressing the hips forwards and up, and reaching back through the right hand, finding our stargazer, staying here for one more really deep inhale. And with the exhale, we're going to lower the hips down, taking the right hand down towards the right. If we lift our left knee, we're going to press down through the left foot, reaching the left arm high, and we're finding a way into a variation of our side plank that feels a little bit more supported usually with that left foot down. Breathing in deeply, we've got the option to lift the left foot up, and if we keep the left foot lifted, we're going to take the left hand down towards the floor, turning over into our three-legged plank. From here, we're going to bend the left leg at the knee, breathing in, lifting it high, exhaling, drawing the knee down, inhaling, lifting, exhaling, dipping, taking 8 more, lifting on the inhale, exhaling, sinking down. With the inhale, we're going to lift, and with the exhale, lowering the knee, breathing in, lifting, exhaling, lowering, keeping that movement going with your own breathing rhythm, lifting for the inhale, lowering on the exhale, 3 more, lifting, lowering. And then from here, keeping the left foot lifted, we're going to press down through the hands, squeezing the glutes and lifting the hips all the way back and up into our three-legged dog. Squeezing to take the left foot as high as it'll go. And as we exhale, drawing the knee to the nose, inhaling, sending the foot up to the sky. With the exhale, drawing the knee to the nose, inhaling, sending the foot far. One final round, drawing the knee to the nose, and then landing the foot down in between the hands, taking all the little shuffles that it takes to find a place where we can press down through the left foot, lifting the chest and the arms up into our high lunge. Breathing in deeply. One big exhale is going to take the right foot from the back, forwards and up into our lifted place where we're standing just on the left leg. And from here, taking the hands to the hips, we're going to roll the shoulders back. As we inhale, we're going to extend the right leg, exhaling, bending at the knee, inhaling and extending, exhaling, bending, taking one more inhale, exhaling, bending the knee, and then landing the foot down alongside the left. As we inhale, we're going to sweep the arms high, exhaling, folding forwards, taking the hands to the shins, lifting the chest halfway. And then with the exhale, bending the knees, landing the hands, stepping the feet back through our plank. Taking just one really deep inhale here. With the exhale, we're going to lower. And as we inhale, lifting the chest, untucking the toes, upward facing dog. Exhaling, sinking the hips all the way back into our child's pose. Resting the forehead down. Taking a deep inhale in through the nose. We're going to lift the chest. Taking the feet out in front and making our way back down onto the back and allowing everything to slowly start to relax once more. So maybe closing down the eyes and noticing if there's any tension in the face. So sometimes we hold on to it in all those little muscles around the eyes and through the forehead, so allowing them to soften. From here, we're going to draw the right knee into the chest, lifting the left foot, pointing the toes. We're going to take that rock along the length of the back, building up enough momentum that eventually we come to that seated place. And this time we should have the right knee drawn in close. If we allow the right knee to fall down to the side, we're going to take the right hand behind, pressing down through the right shin, squeezing the glutes and lifting the left hand all the way up and back into our stargazer. Taking a deep breath, and as we exhale, lowering the hips down, taking the left hand behind, pressing down through the right foot to lift up into our side plank. Reaching up through the right fingers, finding that place where we can maybe see about lifting the right foot also. If we land the hands coming round into our three-legged plank, we're looking for that place where we can take a bend to the right leg at the knee. And as we lift, we're going to inhale, exhaling, drawing the knee down, inhaling, lifting, exhaling, lowering. With the inhale, pressing the foot high, and with the exhale, drawing the knee in close. As we inhale, we're going to squeeze the glutes, and as we exhale, releasing down, breathing in and up, exhaling, lowering, taking just 3 more. So as we inhale, we're pressing high, exhaling, lowering, inhaling, exhaling, one final round, lifting and lowering. And from here, we're going to lift the hips, taking the foot all the way up to the sky, finding our three-legged dog. As we exhale, drawing the knee to the nose, inhaling, sending the foot to the sky, exhaling, knee to nose, inhaling, lifting the foot. One final round, drawing the knee to the nose, and then landing the foot down in between the hands, finding that place where we can lift the chest and the arms up into our high lunge, taking a deep breath, allowing everything to slowly start to land. As we exhale, we're going to step the left foot forwards and up, and we're looking for that place of balance. So as we inhale, we can extend the leg long, exhaling, bending it at the knee, inhaling, lifting the foot, exhaling, lowering. One final round, squeezing the quads, bending the knee, landing the foot down alongside the other. As we inhale, we're going to sweep the arms high. As we exhale, folding forwards, taking the hands to the shins, lifting the chest halfway, and then exhaling, bending the knees, planting the hands, stepping back to plank. With the next exhale, we're going to take the chest forwards and down. And as we inhale, rolling the shoulders back, lifting the chest upward facing dog. Exhaling, sinking the hips back to child's pose. Allowing the forehead to rest down heavy and the hips to relax, the chest melting down towards the ground, and staying here for a few moments to rest.